Yeah, it's kind of rhymes, RJM, baby. Yeah, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel once again. The name still remain the same. I'm kind of rhymes, RJM, baby. Yeah, on today's episode on my channel, yeah, I want to share this view with you. Yeah, I want to share this view with you. Yeah, I wish I knew some certain things before creating a YouTube channel. Yeah, I wish I know certain things before creating a YouTube channel. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok as Kina Rhymes, KINNYRHYNEZ. Yeah, because we have a lot of things to discuss and to share with you. So on this episode, yeah, I've already told you that I want to discuss something with you. What you need to know before you create a YouTube channel. Yeah, what you need to know before you create a YouTube channel. Yeah, because a lot of people think YouTube is a place for you to earn money, so they are all jumping there to make an income for themselves or a living for themselves. But first thing first, you have to think of what you will do on the channel before you will create the YouTube account. You have to think about what you will do. Yeah, what you will do. Yeah, because earlier on I created my YouTube account purposely for my music career. Yeah, my music career, so that I can put my audios there, my videos there to reach a mass audience. Yeah, to reach a mass audience. So I made a lot of mistakes when creating that account because at first my idea was, okay, let me create the account to put my music and my projects over there to reach maximum people, but not knowing like it will get to a time maybe I'll venture into different dimension. You see, yeah. So that's the mistake I made earlier on, and I don't want you to make that mistake. So before you create a YouTube account, there are certain procedure you have to follow before you create a YouTube account. As a musician, a YouTuber, a comedian, a businessman, as like anything, yeah. First thing is you have to think about what you will do on the channel. So let's say you are a musician, so what you will do on the channel is, okay, I'll be doing music over there to reach maximum people so that I'll get more attention and more subscribers. That is the first thing you have to think. And maybe you are into acting, like you have to acting, video skills and these kind of things. So you have to think about, okay, after creating the YouTube account, I'll be doing videos or comedy videos. You see, so don't follow trend, don't follow what people are doing, follow what your heart tells you that, okay, I want to do this, so this is what I want to do. So you have to think about what are you going to do, what are you going to do it well, what are you going to do it from now to forever. You see, so don't just say, oh, people are doing video like comedy skits and they are going up, so I want to do video skits or comedy skits. Maybe it's working for them, but it will not work for you. So you have to consider yourself, what you are good at. Okay, I'm good at maybe football, I'm good at fashion designing, I'm good at eating, I'm good at cooking. So you have to look to yourself what you are good at, and like if you close your eyes, or if you will not think about anything, you can do it. You see the thing? Yeah. So you have to consider yourself first, what you're good at, so that you can consistently like releasing episode by episode. So don't follow trend, follow yourself, what your heart tells you. Okay, so after knowing what you're good at, the second one is be versatile. Be versatile. That's the second one. Before creating a YouTube account, and these things, you have to consider these things before creating a YouTube account. Yeah. So after knowing yourself, what you're good at, okay, I'm good at this thing, I'm good at this thing. So after that, you have to be versatile. Versatile in what way? Okay, versatile in a way that maybe if you're doing this video and maybe it will get some time, we will not get the attention again, because people being there, people are joining YouTube and they are doing things that people are doing. So maybe what you were doing then now is not getting the attention, so you have to switch a little bit. But is that thing you're doing, but you have to switch a little bit, adding a new moves to it. You see, so maybe let's say a lot of people are doing fashion on YouTube. What are you adding to your fashion ideas to make it different from what people are doing? Okay, lots of people are doing beat making on YouTube or selling beats on YouTube. What are you adding to your editing skills to match like or to be ahead of the two you are competing with? What are you doing? What are you adding to your moves to be ahead of them? So number two is you have to be versatile. Yeah. So you have to plan all these things before you create a YouTube account. After knowing what you want to do, you have to be versatile. Okay. So number three is after creating the account and being versatile, you have to be consistent. Like you have to post at least weekly. So if you know that you can't post weekly or daily, Charlie, don't waste your time. Yeah, because people are on YouTube, like people can post 5 videos a day. So if you can't post daily or weekly or 3 days, Charlie, don't waste your time. I'm telling the truth, because like I'm a personal testimony. This is the thing. Yeah, because I don't have time on YouTube. Yeah, and like it's slowing my things down. That's why I wish I knew this before creating the YouTube account. So you have to be consistent. Like you have to like post daily or weekly, or don't post monthly. Monthly is not good. At least weekly. You see. Yeah, so if you know you don't have that strength, you can hire someone to do that for you by posting. You'll be doing the videos and he or she will be posting it for you, because if you leave a day or a week without posting it, like people who are doing like the kind of thing you're doing will be ahead of you and will be getting your views instead of things. So at least you have to be serious and consistency, like you see the thing. Yeah. And after consistency, you have to invest in your craft. You have to invest in your craft. Like don't just put any phone on you that I'm doing videos, so any phone, any background. No. Because people are doing what you're doing. So what are you doing to match up with them? You see? So you have to put much effort in your video making, your video editing, your video shooting, like your sound, everything. You have to put much effort in it. So don't just put any phone on you that I'm doing video, so I'm videoing myself. No. If you don't have camera, your phones can do, but the phones, we have phone and phone. You see the thing? So you have to at least get a proper phone that can give you a quality video. After that, you can invest in your editing. If you can't do editing, you can hire someone to edit your videos for you. can do it for you if you link up me on my WhatsApp number on the description. I can do video editing for you at a cool price. You see, yeah. So you have to invest in your video editing. You have to invest in your video editing, your video making process, your background and everything. Don't just put a phone on you that I'm doing video, like I'm creating a content. Like nah. At least invest in your camera. If you don't have a red camera, you can invest in your phone, and a small light will do. So please, before you create a YouTube account to be a content creator on YouTube, please consider all these things, because it's working for people. Because if you glance through YouTube, the people who are getting maximum views and things, you see that they are investing in their craft, and they know that what they are doing is their business, so they have invested a lot in it. So please, if you can invest in your craft, don't bother yourself. I'm telling you the truth. Please. So you have to invest in your craft, what you want to do, like the camera you want to use, the lighting, everything. I beg, invest in your craft. To be a content creator on YouTube is not an easy job. Maybe someone used a low phone and it's work for that person. Maybe if you use a low phone, it's not work for you. But at least they say quality what counts. So please invest in your video editing, video creating process. Invest in that. So after that, the last one is before you create a YouTube account, you have to think about, okay, if I create a YouTube account and be posting my content over there, how can it reach maximum people? Because if you create the YouTube account and you put your videos there, don't expect YouTube to be sharing the videos to people for you. Nah, you have to share your videos, so that if someone watch the video and subscribe, the next time you post, he or she will see that you have posted a new video, and he or she will watch the video. So before you create a YouTube account, make sure that you are on all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and everything. Make sure that you are on those platforms, because if you post videos on your accounts, you have to share the links to your friends, to your fans, so that when they watch the videos, they can leave a description over there, so that next time if you post a video over there, it will alert them that you have posted a video, so that they will watch, and the videos will keep rising. So please again, before you start a YouTube account, make sure that you're already on social media accounts, like other social media accounts. That's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on and so on. You see, so that you can share your YouTube links to reach maximum people. So please, before you create a YouTube account, consider all these 5 things I've already discussed with you before creating a YouTube account, and it will help you. Yeah, because a lot of people have been telling me this have been contribute to their success on YouTube. So please, if the 5 things I've already told you, if you put that 5 things into consideration and working on it before you join YouTube, I bet you it will work for you and your YouTube journey will be successful. So thank you for watching me. And if you don't understand anything, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and I promise to read it for you. The names to remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, RJ and Baby. Catch me same time next week. We are back, and we are back for good. I'm out. It's Kenny Rhymes.